Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for your amazing support to my last blog, which was about lockdown and how it changed me. I'll put up a link to the video in the description box below. So, what about this ride? Well, I'm about to explore few back roads, few beautiful back roads of Bangalore with Siddharth Rath and Anto Matthew. Hope you guys are excited. As you can see, I have already left my apartment and on my way to the meetup point, which is near HP Avenue. And as the history book says, time travel duke is never on time. Finally, I made it 15 minutes late. That's Siddharth Rath on the CBR 650F and that's Anto on the 250R. Let's get going. Okay, enough talking. Without wasting any time, let's begin with some good music. Shall we? Boy oh boy, that was fun. We were supposed to cruise, but we had a 650 after all. And here we take the Kanakpura exit as per our plan for the beautiful back roads. Kanakpura road as usual begins with traffic and potholes. And then we take this beautiful stretch of road from Kanakpura road to the Bannerghatta National Park. And I feel we are missing something. Music. I always stayed next to this beautiful road and never knew about it. A road this beautiful, close to nature. I mean, what else you want from your weekend? I could feel the fresh air on my face. No wonder my bike and I love these places. If you notice the fact that we are riding at low speeds, because we are riding in a jungle and if we ride fast we can end up harming any animal, and so that is not recommended. And also the fact that we are coming to the end of this trip, so yeah. If you know me really well, you know the fact that I can never get satisfied with such a short trip. So what next? Ragihalli State Forest. Okay guys, time to end the video, and hope you guys loved my content. Do like the video, subscribe because that motivates me a lot, and do press the bell icon to not miss any videos from Time Travel Duke. See you next weekend.